Hello everyone, I'm Quang, and this is A Day in My Life in UC. I started my day in chemistry recitation class. This is a rather easy class, but it gives me a chance to review what I've learned throughout the week and do a lot of practice questions regarding those problems. I'm very grateful that there are people that helps me clarifies everything I've learned and gives me opportunities to apply what I've learned so far. Next up, welcome to the official chemistry class of Dr. Lucas. I really love him since he makes all the materials so easy to digest, and I've learned a lot today. Next up, welcome to Center Court. As you can see, we have a variety of options here, and hey, look, we also have potatoes and bacons. I really love the fact that we have a great view over Nippert Stadium here. Finally, let's head to work. So for today, I'm just sorting out all of the emails that you've sent to us and answer the messages so you can have a better chance to understand UC and so you can come in with us. Well, it's snowing outside and while a lot of people doesn't like it, I'm a snow person myself, so it's cool for me. Let's head to Old Chemistry Hall, one of my personal favorites. Usually, I will either revise everything I've learned throughout the day or answer practice questions regarding my subjects. For today, I decided to go through everything I've learned so far to see if I've missed anything, as well as consolidating all of my knowledge into a mind map. Now, let's conclude our day with dinner. Let's have something special. I decided to spend my time at TUC, where there's also a wide variety of options too. And for today, I'll settle myself with payway fried rice. And that's a day in the life of me at UC. Thank you for joining in.